Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Repeat the first 4 counts of section 4 of part 1, but spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Step forward on your right foot as you bring your left hand up to your head, then bring your right foot back. Now step forward on your left foot as you bring your right hand up to your head, then bring your left foot back in. Step over to the left and drag your right foot along as you move your right hand up and out, then down slowly for the next 4 counts. Extend your right arm straight up and look up for the next 2 counts, then slowly bring your hand down and look back down for the next 2 counts. With your right elbow bent, bend your left knee twice as you move your right hand outward twice. Now move your right hand a little further out to the right, then bend your right knee twice as you move your right hand in twice. Bring your left arm up as you step over to the right on your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Do this move in the opposite direction. Step over to the right with your right foot as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot and swing your right arm up before bringing your fist in near your right shoulder. Lift your right foot up as you move your right hand up, then bring your right foot down as you pull your hand down. Step back on your right, then left foot, then bring your left hand up under your right elbow and step over to the right with your right foot before bringing your foot back in. Step over to the left with your left foot, then bring it back in. Bend your left knee to the right as you brush your left shoulder off with your right hand, then do this move in the opposite direction. Step to the right on your right foot as you swing your right arm over to the left and turn to face the left. Swing both arms to the right as you step on your right then left foot and turn to face the camera again, ending with your right hand on your cheek and your left hand horizontally in front of your right arm. Move your right hand and head to the left and your left arm to the right, then move your right hand and head up and move your left arm down a bit. Finally, move your left arm up as you bring your right hand and head down and bend your knees. Swing your arms out and behind your back as you step in on your right then left foot. Wait for a moment, then step out to the left with your left foot and bend your left elbow to bring your hand up near your shoulder. Take 3 steps to the right, starting on the right foot. Step out to the right with your right foot and point to the right, then bring your right foot back in before putting your left hand on your head and stepping out to the left with your left foot. Bring your left foot back in and lower your hand, then take 3 steps back to the left, starting on the left foot, before hopping once and clapping. Repeat sections 2 and 3 of part 2, but instead of bringing your arms and left leg out at the end, bring both arms up, keeping your elbows bent, and step in place 3 times, starting on the right foot, and clap on the last step. Step forward on your right foot as you point up and forward with your left hand, then bring your foot back and your hand down before repeating this move on the other side. When you bring your right hand back in, move it near the right side of your face, then turn your head in a counterclockwise circle. Clap once, then point up and forward with your left hand as you step over to the right with your right foot and turn your left heel out. Turn your right heel out as you step forward on your left foot, then put your right hand on your chest and take 2 more steps in this manner. Lower your left arm as you step back on your right foot and slide your left foot back to meet it. Step over to the left a bit with your left foot as you bring your right arm up into the right, then move it down into the left. Bring your left hand up near your head with your elbow pointing out, then turn your upper body to the right. Swing your left arm in a big clockwise circle, then turn so that you are facing slightly to the left, and bring your right hand in near your chest with your palm facing out. Wave your right hand out to the right twice, then bring it in once more before swinging it out and down. Wait for 1 count, then hop slightly to cross your right foot over your left foot as you bring your right arm up, keeping your elbow bent. Spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Jump slightly to bring your feet further apart, then point toward the camera with your right hand before clapping once. Repeat section 6 of part 2. Repeat sections 2 and 3 of part 1. Repeat section 4 of part 1, but move your left arm and leg out first, then bring them back in and do the same on the right. Bring your left hand up, then slowly lower it for the next 4 counts. Stand with your back to the camera for the next 8 counts. Now put your right hand on your head and lift your left foot up as you pivot to the left on your right foot until you're facing the camera again, then plant your left foot. Take 3 steps forward, starting on the right foot and clapping on the last step. Repeat section 4 of part 2, then repeat the first count of section 5 of part 2. Punch down and to the right with your left fist as you step back on your left foot, then step behind your left foot with your right foot. Step to the right on your right foot, then turn to the right until your back is facing the camera as you step over with your left foot. Turn to the right again so that you are facing the camera and step over to the right with your right foot again, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Repeat the last 4 counts of section 5 of part 2. Repeat section 6 of part 2. Repeat section 2 of part 1. Repeat the first 6 counts of section 3 of part 1, Then jump slightly to bring your feet apart as you turn to the left until you are facing the camera. Bring your right hand up near the side of your face with your fingers spread out, then bend your knees and lean down as you move your right hand to the left. Hop slightly, then do the same movement to the right. Stand up straight again, then swing your right arm over to the left before bending both elbows to bring your fist in near your chest and moving your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step over to the right with your right foot and extend both arms straight out to either side before bringing them back in and moving your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step back on your left foot and slide your right foot along as you bring your right hand up, then spin it downward for 2 counts. Slowly move your right hand upward as you look up, then end by pulling your hand back down and looking down.